Okay, today we are going to be opening up, unboxing the, oh, I've got it upside down, Willow 360. Here it is. And I got mine from Aeroflow so that I could get it with insurance, with some of it covered by insurance. I did have to pay $245 out of pocket with what my insurance covered. And I gotta get it out. It is stuck. Ta-da! Comes with these little foam pieces on the side to keep it safe. Pop those off. There's cute little designs on the side. And then more stuff on the back. Designs. And that's the bottom. Not that the bottom's like special, but figured I'd show it. Okay, I actually have not even opened this, so it's coming out of the box for the first time with y'all. Okay, and then over here it says, once you break the seal, you cannot return the pump. To be exact, it says, once you break this seal, you can't send the Willow back. I'm not sending it back. I want it. So, I'm gonna break the seal. Don't judge me for being dangerous. This is actually pretty hard to get open. This sticker is on here. I can even get my scissors between the sticker and the box. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's two of them. And then there's also some white little tape that's on there that looks like it's on there pretty good too. So, let's try this again. Okay. The white tape actually broke pretty easily. I was able to use my fingernail for that. The sticker though, the Willow sticker, that sucker is on there. There. Okay. Now, looks like it slides out this way. I had it upside down. This thing doesn't want to come out. Ta-da! Okay, we get the Willow box. And it has a little W here. And it looks like it just, maybe I can do this, slides out. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Ta-da! It has the top to hold them like it's cushioned for shipping. Or maybe it's the bottom. No, I opened it right. Okay. I don't think there's anything under this. Nope, that's pretty in there. It's good and stuck in there. Alright, so anyway, here are the pumps. Important, only use the charger provided to avoid damage to your pump. That's what the little stickers say. And then here's the pumps. They look just like the 3.0. And they come out just like so. I'm gonna move this and set this here. Alrighty. It comes with this, which I'm actually glad it does. It's a little sizing guide for Willow, which I'm not gonna use right now, but maybe later. Maybe later I'll check that out without the camera. Next you'll see this. It says, step into your pumping power, Willow 360. And that's to download the Willow app. It's a little card. Tells you to find your perfect fit. on the back. And there's another card underneath it that says happiness delivered. And it's all about Willow and their support. So hopefully that'll come in handy. And then of course that's just underneath those two papers. So I'm going to pull that out. Okay, we have our bags. And these are 24 count 4-ounce bags. Just a little bag of those. And the bag does have a little zipper on the top. So that's nice. Next you'll see the instructions for use. Uh-oh. We lost a flex tube. I'll stick him back in there. Instructions for use. And it does say for generation 3, the Willow wearable breast pump. So we'll have to have a look at that. And then below that is the 2 flex tubes that decided to jump out, the bottle brushes, and the single charger. And I do believe that is it, friends. Yep, that's it. So like I said, I'll be coming on here soon to give a review of the 360 and the milk containers, the bags, all of the good stuff. Maybe I'll even do a how-to video on it. We will see. But for now, that is the 360. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.